Get ready to light the smoker and dive into a flavor-packed adventure as we unveil our mouth-watering smoked baby back ribs, generously coated in our signature blueberry barbecue sauce. This sweet and smoky dish is gonna be unlike anything you have ever tasted before. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making smoked baby back ribs with blueberry barbecue sauce. Before we begin, I need you to do me a little flavor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Preheat the smoker to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going low and slow today. In a bowl, combine the brown sugar, kosher salt, black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, cinnamon, and the zest of 1 orange. Mix this until it is well combined. Grab a fairly deep baking dish just to prep this in and spread the rub evenly on all sides of the ribs. Place the rubbed ribs in the smoker for 2 hours. While the ribs are smoking, let's make the blueberry barbecue sauce. In a dry pan over medium heat, add the nora, guajillo, and pasilla chilies. Toast the chilies in the pan to bloom them and bring out their aromas. Now remove the toasted chilies from the pan and set them aside. Make sure you use high quality chilies for this. If your dried chilies have been sitting in the pantry for over a year, it is time to take your little booty to the grocery store and get some new ones so we can pack this sauce with flavor. Add the olive oil, chopped onion, and garlic to the pan and saute this until the onion and garlic start to take on color. Add the blueberries, granulated sugar, white wine vinegar, bay leaf, and the reserved toasted chilies back to the pan. Cook this over medium-low heat and let it go for about 20 minutes. It should sit at a nice low simmer to develop its flavors. Make sure to stir so the bottom of the pan doesn't burn, guys. Now remove the bay leaf. Transfer the barbecue sauce into the jar of a blender or use an immersion blender and blend this until it's smooth. Season to taste with salt. Transfer the barbecue sauce back into the pan and continue to simmer over low heat for another 10 to 20 minutes until you get it to your perfect consistency. The sauce should coat the back of the spoon in a napa. If it gets a little too thick, you can always thin it out with a little water. If you're doing this for a dinner party, keep in mind you can make the barbecue sauce ahead of time. Little tips and tricks to help you succeed in your hosting adventures. Prepare the apple and fennel slaw now, okay? In a large bowl, add the shredded Granny Smith apple, fennel bulb, napa cabbage, granulated sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice, chopped parsley, and extra virgin olive oil. Toss it until it is well combined and let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Stir and season to taste with salt. Set it aside and let it macerate, letting the vinegar and the salt soften some of the sharpness of the fennel and the apples. When the ribs are done smoking, remove the ribs from the smoker and preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the ribs in the prepared barbecue sauce and wrap the whole thing in foil. Cook the ribs for an additional 1.5 to 2 hours until they are super tender. When it's done, serve it with our apple fennel slaw and the extra blueberry barbecue sauce. Cheers, babes! If you haven't already, please do me a little flavor, hit that like button, and hit subscribe to the channel. For the full recipe, please head to that description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are so many incredible recipes to choose from, so do not miss this opportunity. As always, y'all, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! Bye!